Hello students, how are you all? All are fine? I think so. Again, schools are closed. Stay home and stay safe, students. Please take care of yourself and your family members also. Today we are starting. We are there. Last class I stopped. These people are also like us. In that chapter we completed half of the chapter. This is the remaining chapter we are going to complete today. Here is activity about that. In some situations, we convey messages through signs. Write these situations and signs. For example, the sign used by the teacher to maintain silence when she is teaching. When she is teaching, what sign the teacher will give? Finger on your lips. She'll show like that. If your friend speaks, a finger on the mouth. Is it? A finger on the mouth. This is the sign the teacher is going to give. The same way other signs are here. See, this is showing like this. It shows this victory. This is one sign of victory. Next, after that, call me. This is one sign. Give a call. Is it? Can you see my fingers? Call me. Is it? Next, after that, okay. To tell okay, thumbs up. Will show like this, no? Thumbs up. Okay. After that, super. Super. For super, what is the sign we'll give? This is super. We'll show like this. These are the some signs. Without speaking, we can give. Below, read these following statements and mime them. You have to mime. Try to mime on your own. Stand in front of the mirror and then mime like this. I want water. I want food. I feel sleepy. Bell rang. Father will come. Hand is aching. Aching means headache will tell. The same way hand is aching. Play with a ball. Play skipping. I will dance. These are all you mime. Stand in front of the mirror, mime, and then see how beautiful you look. Okay, enjoy this miming. Ravi has some problem with his leg. He cannot walk. He has joined school recently. If Ravi joins your school, how will you help him? How are you going to help him if Ravi joins in your school who cannot walk? Be friendly with him. Show some interest to talk with him. Let him know that you care him and you are ready to help him. Okay? This is a way you can help your friends if they are like this. Observe around you. You can see many people who are physically disabled. They need certain facilities and help in their work. Friends' cooperation is essential for this. Observe your surroundings. There will be people who cannot walk or who cannot listen, who cannot hear, who can't see. Those people will be there. Now, those people are called as physically disabled. They need certain facilities. They need some special needs and help of their work. In their work, they need some special facilities. In their work, they need some help also. Friends' cooperation is essential for this. To do all this, friends' cooperation is very important. A number of people whose special need have achieved a lot. Then the special needed people have achieved, a number of people are there who achieved a lot. These people who cannot hear, who cannot see, who can't talk, those people achieved a lot by their efforts and interest. How they have achieved this interest in their work? By their hard work, by their efforts, they have achieved a lot. Know about such people from your elders. You please ask your elders and then know about any people are there who achieved a lot. The physically disabled people who achieved a lot. Who are those people? You can ask your elders and know about them. Then you say 4 lines about. You remember, recollect that. You have to say 4 lines about those people. For example, Sudha Chandran. She lost her leg in an accident. But she, with the artificial legs, she practiced dance and then she was rewarded as Mayuri. Mayur Sudha. Nowadays she is acting in films and all, serials and all. She is none other than Mayur Sudha Chandran she is. We should know about such people. Though they are physically disabled, they have achieved a lot in their life. It is very important. We should know about those people. Then here is one great personality. Can you see and identify this personality? Yes, very correct. He is none other than Dr. Puttaraja Gawai. We are going to learn about Puttaraja Gawai right now. Dr. Puttaraja Gawai was famous for art, literature, music and plays. He lost both his eyes when he was a child. He became a disciple of Panchakshari Gawai. He became a renowned singer. He could play all musical instruments. He learnt Braille script and wrote more than 64 books. More than 15,000 students have learnt music under his tutelage. He died in the year 2010, means 2010. His contribution to his society is invaluable. Dr. Puttaraj Gawai was a famous musician. He lost his eyes when he was a child. And then he learnt Braille script. He wrote more than 64 books in Braille script only. Under his tutelage means under his guidance in his tuition. Means tutelage means in the tuition. 15,000 students have learnt this music. And then when he was a child, that time only he became a renowned singer, means he became a famous singer. And then disciple of Panchakshari Gawai means a sign language. And then disciple means who is teacher. So we can say it's a teacher or the follower. He became a great famous singer, great singer. This is about Puttaraj Gawai. Then he died 2010, means now this is 2022. 12 years back only he died. So where he died? He died in Gadag district. Okay, he is related to Karnataka state only. He is our Kannadiga. We can say proudly Puttaraj Gawai. This is about these people are also like us. This is a lesson. We have learned in this lesson great personalities. These people are also like us in this, how we have to treat the people who are mentally, physically disabled. And then about Braille script we have learned. Then a great person, Puttaraj Gawai also we have learned. Then how, what is the sign language, how they are going to communicate we have learned. This is a lesson about these people are also like us. Next class we'll do new chapter. Okay, bye bye.